This is episode 2 of our Tanyongan Spring Resort Getaway. It's more fun in the Philippines. Socks is next. Yes, we are now finally here at Tanyongan Spring Resort. Yeah, welcome guys. As I have mentioned earlier, I'm with my co-vlogger also. You have seen him in the car. So I'm with Luis Saints in the house.
What's up mga kapit-laban ng Dimagluya? It's me again, Luis Saints. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, he will put the link on the description down below.
Yes. So subscribe na guys to Luis Saints.
Laban ng
Support,
Dimagluya.
yes. Support him and
Help me reach 4,000 watch hours.
yes.
Thank you.
Yep. So I'm going to ask some people guys what is their experience and expectation sa Tanyongan Resort. So I'm going to ask Celine first. So what is your occasion in the resort?
Tugnaw ang tubig, malamig ang tubig, tapos malalim, pero so sad, I don't know how to swim.
Ay, kawawa.
So, sa daplin lang ko, padaptulin. Sa gilid-gilid lang muna tayo.
So, I'm going to ask now, Ate Gina. So, ano masasabi mo sa resort?
Okay lang, nindot siya, bugnaw ang tubig, lamin na kayo isalong.
Yes. Salom ta later. Some people here kung ano experience nila sa resort. Alright, so ano po pangalan nyo? Kit. Ayan guys, si Kit. And si Angelica. Taga saan kayo? Tampakan, South Cotabato. So magtatanong ako guys yung anong experience nyo sa Tanyongan Spring Resort.
Second time ko dito, it was a nice experience. Getting in touch with nature.
Wow.
Hindi siya your ordinary swimming pool na tiles, parang natural lang.
Yes. How about si Ate Angelica?
Nasabi niya na.
Mga apo ni Mandre. Ikaw ga. Ano experience mo ga sa resort ga? Hindi maguya-uya. Hindi maguya-uya. Ano name mo ga? Si Christine guys. So ano experience mo sa resort?
Okay lang.
Okay lang daw guys. Nag-enjoy ka naman? Yan, nag-enjoy sila. Salamat Christine. Salamat Kit and Angelica. Yes. Pwede. Salamat sa participation. Budol fight time. Kain tayo guys. Louis Saints, guys. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. So all I can say, guys, I enjoyed it here in Tanyongan Spring Resort. So medyo maraming tao ngayon dito. So ayun guys, I had fun swimming. Malamig ang tubig, and in few minutes we will go home na. Hope to explore more local tourist spots here in South Cotabato because we support local tourism.
Tara na sa Tanyongan! Socks is next!
Bye! Thanks for watching!
Tara na sa Tanyongan! Socks is next! Bye guys!
Tara na sa Tanyongan! Is
Next! Bye! Tara na sa Tanyongan. Nami, heading home na.
Ako labot.
Oh, sorry. Imuha mo din yung vlog?
On our way home na, guys! Bye!
Bye!
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aming videos.
And also don't forget to subscribe to Louis Saints YouTube channel.
Yes,
He's at the back.
Hi, this is
Yeah.
me, Louis Saints. Thank you so much, Extra Saints TV, for me on your YouTube channel.
Yes.
Collab!
And this is our first collab.
Thank you! More collabs to
Yes.
come!
And you can comment down below if you have any tourist spots na gusto nyo puntahan namin.
Yes.
We're very much open to show you how beautiful Soxargen is.
That's
Yes.
right.
See you guys! See you in the next vlog! Bye!
Siya nga pala guys, before I forget, mega shout out to these people. Divine Bargo, Jeneline Matugina Guhilde, Mel Mulihon, Ange Villamor Oquendo. And you can also support her on Sessions Live. Eric Layagan Acosta. Of course, Louis Saints, my vlogger friend. Faith Stanley. And also Rafi Hinayon. You can also support Rafi on their YouTube channel, guys. Habitat Vines. Who else? Jonex Fernandez Sereno, my classmate in college. And of course, Royce Tamayaw, who is celebrating his birthday today, November 21, 2020. And last but not the least, Eden Segundo Mercado. So, that's it guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.